Hey, aloha mai. Hey, come. I want to show you something. Can you see this?
Look at this beautiful pua. This is a ko'oloa ula. Can you see that? Ko'oloa ula.
It's really special to Lanai because for a long time people thought there wasn't any ko'oloa ula growing in the wild. And then come to find out that we had a bunch living here. It used to be like a really tiny seed. Here's where the seeds come out of. Can you see it? That's the seed right there. Look how tiny it is. And look what a beautiful big bush it grows into.
When your mind is a mess, so is mine. I can't sleep cause it hurts when I think my thoughts are...
Anyway, aloha mai. Pehe oko. I hope you guys are all mai kai. I'm here right now in my dad's garden. I like coming and working here because a lot of the plants my dad planted. So I get to feel like I'm working with him when I come outside.
Unseen, cause the world is awake for somebody's sake. Now please close your eyes.
Hey, aloha mai kako. So you ready to see my workspace? I got a lot of stuff in here. All these things are here to help me stay creative. For example, I have a pencil, a box of crayons. I have an eraser from the 5th grade. I have Spider-Man to help me draw figures. I have a rock to help keep the paper from blowing away. And I have my flashcards. And today we're going to look at some of the flashcards. And I was hoping you guys could join me in a little art contest. Alright, our theme this week is Eola, to live and be healthy. So I want to ask you guys help in drawing some things that Lanai can do to help us stay healthy. And once you guys send me your drawings to the email below, then I can post them on a video to help tell this story. Okay, so the first part of our story is Mai Puina. Don't forget e holoi I kou lima, to wash your hands. E ho'oka'awale, social distancing. Standing how far? 6 feet apart so we don't share germs. E malama I kou olakino, to take care of your body. E noho malie I ka hale, stay peacefully at home. The last one, e ho'o manawa nui. Ho'o manawa nui. Be patient. Okay, once again, so our theme this week is Eola, and if you can help draw a picture illustrating, reminding people to holoi kou lima, to wash their hands, to e noho malie ka hale, to stay peacefully at home, to e malama I kou olokino, to take care of their bodies, e ho'o manawa nui, to be patient, and to ho'oka'awale, to practice social distancing. Send me those pictures to estajiri at k12.us, .hi.us, and I will try my best to share all the pictures that I receive in the next video next week. Okay, here's an example of something you could do. A poster Eola to help people stay healthy by e holoi I kou lima, to wash your hands. Until I see you guys again, ahui ho, malama pono. Take care in the right way. Aloha.